If you don't like lentils or if you never had a lentils ragu before, this is a very good excuse to start.
On New Year's Eve in Italy we eat lentils because they are meant to bring good fortune in the new year. So today I want to show you how to make my favorite lentil
It's
ragu.
incredible. We start with a good drizzle of good quality extra virgin olive oil. And on a high temperature, we're gonna add the carrots, the celery and onion. Sun-dried tomatoes and garlic, the porcini mushroom. You can already smell those porcini and those sun-dried tomatoes. They are elevating this ragu to another level. Now make a little space in the middle for your tomato paste. Go with about a tablespoon and mix it all. I've also prepared a little bouquet of herbs, rosemary, sage and bay leaves. Go with a good glug of wine and the bouquet. Make sure to cook off all of the alcohol. Then you can go in with your chopped tomatoes, good pinch of salt and black pepper. Bring the sauce back to a boiling point and then go in with the lentils. Fill it up completely with water so everything is nice and covered. Leave it to boil and reduce and add more water if needed. After 30 minutes, the ragu is ready and it's smelling amazing. Look at this. Pasta goes in. I'm gonna add the last drizzle of olive oil and a small ladle of pasta water. I love this recipe because it's a great way to add legumes into your diet without losing that comforting, rich flavor of a ragu.